up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, here on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on those platforms so you get access to exclusive content that I post there, so you kind of know what's kind of coming. You know, you get sneak peeks. But today we are gonna do I went to the bank. This is all that I'm cash stuffing today. I'm gonna put that to the side. And I did use some of it because, as you know, it's like these are all 20s because I stopped at the bank because, you know, the bank is closed right now, so I had to get money from the bank. I mean, money out of the ATM. So we're gonna start with some stuff, and I ended up stopping at the gas station to get me like a Red Bull, and I was trying to get some change. So I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 200, 2, 4, 6. These are kind of 1, 6, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So we have 289 here. I'm gonna put these to the side, and we're just gonna cash stuff my variables, my variable expenses, everyday use expenses, and everything for the week. So, and we're gonna pull some of this out too. So we have some leftover monies and gas. We have $1, 2, 3, $4. And I just put it right here because we're probably gonna use some of these ones for our monthly savings challenge. I think, yeah, our monthly savings challenge. Okay. So for gas, we're gonna put 40 because I only have 20s, you guys. So I only have 20s for this one, but it also shows that you don't have to go to the bank like to break down your denominations. If they're closed, you can still pull money out. So I like these crisp 20s. But for groceries, 2, 4, 6, $80. We have $80 to spend on groceries. I think I'm just gonna get like a lot of vegetables. I'm thinking about going on a no meat diet for 7 days. So I'm gonna see how that works out with like just no meat, straight fruits, vegetables, trying out different recipes that I could find online. If you have a good like no meat dish, comment down below because we're gonna try this no meat for 7 days. So after this, we're gonna go to the grocery store. So, and we're gonna get some veggies and some stuff that I can find off of, you know, the internet. Fast food. I was like, I really have been on a cooking kit, but I'm still gonna put like $20 in here. Put 20 because I wanted to break some of this stuff down. Self-care. Ooh. I wish I could break this stuff down because I really need like 10s, but okay. I'm gonna put a 20 in here. Miscellaneous. I'm gonna put another 20. I like to save these new 20s. Like, is that just me? Like, I'd rather cash stuff 20s in my, I use like, okay, this one's kind of used. So, I'll put those in there. Big girl snacks. We gonna see. I can put $5 in here. So I usually just get Red Bulls and like something from the gas station. So that's it for our variable expenses. We got the gas for the week, the groceries. We're gonna try a no meat diet, girl. We're gonna see how this goes. We got self-care, miscellaneous, and burger snacks. I think that's good for this week, because I've noticed that a lot of prices have been going up, especially like the taxes. I would say watch the taxes. That's what's causing everything to kind of go up, because I know some people are going over their grocery budget. Okay, so I got my monthly savings challenge. I know I use this one. It's so cute. Okay, so we got our monthly savings challenge. I think we ended up, yes, we did end up doing this. So we are done with the March, and we could put something in April. Okay, let's see. I think we used our 100 envelope challenge to fill that out. So we are going to week 5. Let's see. Of course, I gotta do this one. Oh, if you haven't noticed, I got me some Erin Condren markers. They just came in the mail yesterday. I'm so excited. Got this one. Of course, that one. That's my hometown. And dang, I thought I've been to a lot of states, but doing this, I'm like, I don't think I've been to that many states. Okay, we got we could do, and I know I messed up on some of these. Like, I have been to Tennessee, so this is Tennessee. I think one of these was Alabama in the last video. So I'm gonna put a $20 in here. So that will be 20. And I want to start a new, let's see, I think that was in the middle. And we're going to start a little bit on April. Or should we start this in April? Like, April is next Friday. But like we said, we're going to up the stakes. So this is 20 and this is 30. So we're gonna see. Rainy day will still stay at 10. I'm not trying to really push myself like that. So 20 and 30. So we will try to do that in the next video, starting for April. Let's see. I'm not really following the instructions. Like, you're supposed to do it every Friday. But this Friday we got $7. I don't even know. Let me see. Do I got $7? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 7. Bam. So we got $7 to start off with April. And we got that. I'm gonna cross this one out, and I'm wondering if I should start the new monthly savings challenge, because this is like the Easter. We already finished our Easter challenge, which that's also in there too, along with the Fridays, the Easter savings challenge, and the maps. This one will be the Fridays. Because I know the next is May. Okay. Because I think the next holiday is Mother's Day and Father's Day. I know it's Mother's Day. So I have this challenge, Baby's Kids. If you don't know about Baby's Kids, what you been doing? Like, you better go watch Baby's Kids. It's so funny. Okay, so we got this one for April. And let's see, that's like, I want to make sure I'm not going over, because we have the April challenge. Yeah, so we got this April challenge, we got the Baby's Kids Savings Challenge, and the Fridays. Like, I'm trying to keep it to 3, but we're gonna do this. I got this on my website for $2. I think it's $2. So we got the start is $10, and then the arrow sign is another $10. So we just gonna cover this in. If you want to color in the car, you can. Let me see. So we're gonna take $20 for April. So we kind of ahead of the game, y'all. Once April 1st starts, then we will be looking at the April challenge. So that is what we're going to do. We got a little head of the game. Woo, woo, head of the game. And we will see how much we can save with our Baby's Kids challenge, our April showers savings challenge, and our the Fridays, yeah, the 2023 Fridays. So we are actually ahead of the game, head of the ball game. I feel so good. I am happy that I unstuffed my 100 envelopes because I feel a lot less pressure, if that makes sense. So a lot less pressure. Okay, so we're gonna see. We still got like 2, 4, 6. We got $60 left. We have 21. So it's just gonna be like a little stuff here and there, because this is the rent check. So it's kind of like here. Oh yeah, I have to put this back. Be careful putting these back. Yeah, this check is rent check, so it's not a lot, but hopefully my next check will be a lot bigger and we can cash stuff some other stuff. But right now we just kind of put in a little bit here and there. Okay, so we're gonna put $20. Today is 26. We'll put 20. I like using the little crisp dollars. We're at 20, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 170, 175, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 212 in emergency fund. I like how that is looking, you guys. And let's see, and we got medical, $20 in car. I'm trying to think. I should put it in medical or car. I'm gonna put it in car because I already know my car is a little bit older, so I need to make sure I have these funds for sure. So I have 50, 100, 50, 90, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 255, 260. Yeah, there we go. Color this in. And we got $1 left. Or should I put it in the dollar box? Okay, I could just put this one in a dollar box because we're gonna do the other challenges next paycheck, because this was rent check, so girl, we didn't have that much, but I'm gonna put it in the dollar box. And then I have to set up my April monthly, and I gotta set up, you know, my April monthly budget, and then we will go from there. I feel so good. Like, we got ahead of our monthly saving challenge, and we did some little cash stuffing. So, all right, you guys, I will see y'all later. Thank you for clicking on my video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Bye. Oh, and like this video. Bye. Yeah.